It's here, y'all. The Wi-Fi Smart Lock by Revolo. Oh, yeah. All right, let's get into this. All right, so we got the Revolo Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Let's read what it does on the side. Remote access. Operate and check status of the lock from anywhere at any time. Knock, unlock, and auto unlock. Meaning, auto unlock with a touch or knock while you arrive, and the door will be locked automatically once closed. That's hard, so you can go out to a door, set a pattern or something, I believe. Low battery indicator. Receive low battery alerts and virtual indicator on lock screen for battery replacement. Okay, so it takes batteries. Key override. Includes traditional key functionality for peace of mind. That's tough. Privacy mode. Disable all access functions until unlocked by thumb turn from inside. Anti-peek keypad. Add random digits before or after your passcode to protect it from prying eyes. Invitation function. Invite your friends and family via Revolo app to control the lock. And emergencies. Power supply. Power your smart lock by using a portable charger when it is out of power. Oh, so it does charge up by portable chargers, not by batteries. So that's great. Let's get this joint open. Alright, so guys, I just opened up the box. See how it looks inside. Guess these are like the instructions. That's pretty cool. Woo. Here's the smart lock. That's tough. And right here we have, I guess, another part of the smart lock. And last but not least, the batteries, the key, the screws, the bolt, and that looks about everything, y'all. So guys, it comes with great instructions. You know, you have to download the Revolo app to begin the setup, and it shows you about like how the screw is supposed to go in and everything. Alright guys, so I just installed the smart lock. As you can see, you can put in a pin to unlock your door, or with this right here, you can put your key into this and unlock the door. Also, if you have the app, you can connect it with Bluetooth, do a certain knock on the door, and it opens up if you're in radius of the door, or you can unlock it through the app. Here's the back.